Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up and add emergency contacts to your iPhone. So if in case of emergency and you want to have a contact particularly for emergency purpose, then you can easily do this on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set up and add emergency contacts to your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling to get to emergency SOS, then click on that. Now under emergency SOS, you should see emergency contact. You see I've already added an emergency contact here. Then go ahead and click on edit emergency contact in health. Then scroll down until you get to the health application. Click on it. So once you click on the health application, locate and click on medical ID. Now under medical ID, come to where you see emergency contact and click on edit. Then click on add emergency contact. Go ahead and select your emergency contact or search for it. Then you should see you'll be prompted to select your relationship with this person. So select it and then click on done. Then you should see the emergency contact added here. Now come to the top here where you say show when locked. So if this is disabled, go ahead and enable this so that in case of emergency, your emergency contact will display on your phone screen when it is locked. So that is exactly how to add or set up emergency contact on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.